Hello, and welcome to our 6141 Robotics Science and Systems final project. For our project, we decided to work on fast collision avoidance for autonomous vehicles. My name is Ihssan, and alongside my teammates Rawn, Isaac, Carina, and Emily, we'll be presenting the results of our work this semester in spring 2018. This project couldn't have been done without our little race car friend, who, after much debate, we decided to call Vroom Vroom Machine, so we wanted to give it a special shout out.
It's very easy to plan a trajectory and drive around a map where every obstacle has been accounted for. In the real world, however, it will almost never be that easy. Before we can do anything, the car has to know its position and orientation with respect to the world around it. We use particle filter localization to give us this information.
To detect obstacles, we start with a map of what we think the area that we will be driving through will look like. We then use data from the LiDAR to detect obstacles in real life and convert them to pixels to add these obstacles to the map. We use this updated map instead of the original map to plan trajectories to the end goal.
We decided on a variant of a stop which used a potential field heuristic. The planner explores the map by generating circles and exploring new points on the circle's circumference. The planner tries to get us 7 meters down the hall while avoiding obstacles that we have detected. We decided to replan if we see a new obstacle on our current path or if we are halfway through our current planned path. All replans start from the car's current expected pose based on localization. In order to fail fast, we avoid exploring space behind the car and we avoid re-exploring space that we have already explored.
Once we have a trajectory to follow, the car follows this path using the pure pursuit algorithm. We also make the speed of the car inversely proportional to the angle at which the car is turning to make sure the car doesn't slip or veer too far off the course. For this challenge, we set the car min and max speed to 1.5 and 2.66 meters per second respectively.
We ran into a lot of problems and obstacles.
Yep. Making that white turn. Nope.
No! But eventually we were able to get things working. We finished the course with an average forward speed of 1.9 meters per second, which was above our minimum viable product goal of 1.5 meters per second.
Woo!
With that, we've reached the end of our video. Unfortunately, after a whole semester of fun, we're gonna have to part ways with our little friend Vroom Vroom Machine. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and we hope to see you again soon.